What's going on, guys? This is boxing demonstration number four. Number four. We're gonna be doing some different combos today. So demonstrate some combos. Follow along. I'll leave my tips at the end of the video. My advice, my tutorial sort of thing. So follow along. Alright, guys. Southpaw. If you're remembering, guys, I'm doing southpaw because I practiced on my right-handed stance already quite a bit. And if you practice in your right-handed stance enough times, your body will naturally want to, you'll feel it in your body, it'll naturally want to switch to southpaw. And then that's when you probably should do that and practice on southpaw for a while. But if you're just starting out, you can do it in your right-handed stance, these drills and stuff, my other videos too, my other ultimate boxing videos. Do those in your right-handed stance if you want. Anyway, I'm doing southpaw. We're going to be doing southpaw today. So here it goes. that's hook, upper hook, and then an upper straight afterwards. Left and right variations, switch between left and right variations. Now we're going to be doing upper straight and then uppercut. Yeah, upper straight, uppercut. Let's hope it goes well, guys. Let's hope it goes well. Take a shot of water here. guys. Alright guys, that should be good enough. Yeah, that should be good enough, guys. Those are different punching combinations. That's a good practice. Remember, look into my other boxing videos, guys. It's called Ultimate Boxing Training. It's on my channel that this video is on, and you'll see my tips there. Basically, you're supposed to just start with something small, like a few punches at a time. You don't struggle or get tired, because you're gonna be doing it over and over again. And start with a few punches at a time. Do it at a nice amount of times a day. And within for the first 1 to 2 weeks, you'll see some drastic improvements. And then after that, you can just keep going until you can do it as long as you want. And your punches will get lighter too during that first 2 weeks. During the first 1 to 2 weeks, your punches will get lighter. And after that, they'll just continue to get lighter and lighter. That's what you're going to do until you're as good as you want to be, basically. Until you're as good as you want to be. That's all you have to do. Anyway, those are my little tips, guys. That's it for today. I was thinking about doing some simple boxing tutorials. Like my next video, I might possibly practice some dodging, but also we might be doing simpler combinations, like a double straight, like two straights, just like that. And we might dodge too. Might do some simple stuff like that, guys. Next video. Anyway, subscribe, like, follow my tutorials. That's it, guys. That's it for today.